Simple mobile service disruptions typically stem from three main causes: network outages, SIM card problems, or incorrect APN settings. Network outages are usually carrier-side issues like equipment failure or maintenance. Check Simple Mobile's website or app for outage maps, which integrate with Verizon, AT&T. SIM card problems can arise from physical damage, improper insertion, or software corruption. Ensure your SIM is clean, undamaged, and correctly oriented in the tray. Lastly, access point name APN settings configure your device's internet connection. Incorrect settings will block data services. For Verizon, the APN should be TF data. For AT&T, it's WAP.TrackPhone. We'll show you how to check and reset these. Begin by restarting your device to clear any temporary glitches. Then check your signal strength, aiming for at least 3 to 4 bars for reliable connection. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve connectivity issues. For APN issues on Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point names. Verify the settings show TF data if on Verizon or WAP.TrackPhone if on AT&T. On iPhones, the APN is usually automatic, but you can reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. If your SIM card appears damaged or is not functioning, contact Simple Mobile Support to request a replacement SIM card. Remember, Simple Mobile's app includes AI-driven diagnostic tools to help troubleshoot connectivity issues in real time without calling support. If the issues continue after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact Simple Mobile Customer Support for further assistance.